Ultimate guide for beginners on freelancing with AI-assisted services like translation, code generation, or editing in 2024. Step 1. Identify your skills and interests. Take a self-assessment quiz to identify your strengths and weaknesses. Consider your hobbies, interests, and areas of expertise. Research AI-assisted services that can help you in your chosen field, for example, translation, code generation, or editing. Step 2. Choose the right AI-assisted service. Research popular AI-assisted services like Google Translate, DeepL, Microsoft Translator for translation. For code generation, consider GitHub Copilot, Kite, or Tab9. For editing, look into Grammarly, Pro Writing Aid, or Language Tool. Evaluate the features, pricing, and user reviews of each service. Choose the one that best aligns with your skills and interests. Step 3. Set up your freelance profile. Create a professional profile on freelance platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, Fiverr, or People Per Hour. Highlight your skills and experience. Showcase your portfolio if you have one. Complete your profile with a professional profile picture and bio. Step 4. Define your services. Determine what services you can offer using AI-assisted tools. For example, for translation, you could offer English to Spanish or German to French. For code generation, you might offer web development or mobile app development. For editing, consider content writing or proofreading. Create a list of services you can offer. Step 5. Develop your skills. Learn the basics of the AI-assisted services you've chosen. Practice using the tools to improve your skills. Take online courses or attend webinars to enhance your knowledge. Stay up to date with the latest developments and updates. Step 6. Set your rates. Research the market rates for similar services. Calculate your hourly rate based on your skills, experience, and competition. Consider offering different pricing tiers or packages. Step 7. Find clients. Utilize job boards and freelance platforms to find clients. Leverage social media platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook to promote your services. Attend online events and conferences to network with potential clients. Offer free trials or demos to showcase your skills. Step 8. Deliver high-quality work. Use AI-assisted tools to deliver high-quality work efficiently. Ensure accuracy and attention to detail in your work. Communicate effectively with clients throughout the project. Request feedback and revise as needed. Step 9. Monitor and improve. Track your progress and analyze your performance. Continuously update your skills and knowledge. Adjust your pricing strategy as needed. Expand your services or explore new areas of expertise. Step 10. Scale your business. As you gain more clients and experience, consider scaling your business. Hire other freelancers or form a team to help you with workload. Develop a marketing strategy to attract more clients. Explore new opportunities and expand your services.